Okay, starting with numerical number 6 of structure of atoms and nuclei. This is unsolved numerical, means from your exercise. Determine the series limit of Balmer, Paschen and Font series given the limit for Lyman series is 912 angstrom. So here the series limit for Lyman is given to you, that is 912 angstrom, that is nothing but value of lambda. Now as it is for Lyman, I will write it as lambda L. Okay, now we will go to the formula of Rydberg's, also known as Rydberg's formula. You will find this formula on page number 329 of your textbook above solve example 15.3. Now the value of Z will be equal to 1 because all this series are for hydrogen atom. So for hydrogen atom Z is equal to 1. So this is the form of this is the format of the formula after substituting. Z is equal to 1. Now here they have asked us to calculate limit, series limit. Now when we calculate the limit of the series, at that time we substitute m as infinity. So after substituting m as infinity, the new formula is 1 upon lambda equal to Rydberg's constant into 1 upon n square. Take the reciprocal of lambda, then the formula is n square upon Rh, that is Rydberg's constant. This formula is directly given in your textbook. If you go through theory part nicely, then no need of doing all these things. You can directly write this formula and come to the solution part or start finding the limit for Balmer, Paschen and Font series. No need to do all these things, but if in case you do not remember, then you can start from here and come to this point. These steps do not contain any marks. Okay, we have the value of lambda for Lyman series, that is 912 angstrom. I am writing that, which is equal to, now I will substitute the value of n, that is 1 for Lyman series. So I have substituted in this formula the value of n as 1 upon Rh. So 1 square is nothing but 1 upon Rh, which will be equal to this, that is 912 angstrom, because this part is of course equal to lambda L. Lambda L is equal to 912 angstrom, so even this is equal to 912 angstrom. Okay, now coming to Balmer series. For Balmer series, I'll write lambda B. Now for Balmer series, n is equal to 2, so 2 ka square upon Rh, that is 2 to the 4 upon Rh. I can write it like this, that is 4 to 1 upon Rh. We have the value of this term, that is 912 angstrom. Multiply 912 with 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are, I don't know, 36. So this is the limiting value for Balmer series. Similarly, we'll calculate for Paschen and Font series. For Paschen, n is equal to 3. So I'll write lambda p, and I can also write let it be p, only p. For Font, we'll write p and f with it. Formula is n square upon Rh. The value of n is 3. 3 ka square upon Rh. 3 ka square is 9, and 1 upon Rh is 912 angstrom. And multiply 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9 plus 1 10, 9 9s are 81 plus 1 82, that is 8208 angstrom is the limiting value for Paschen series. For Font series, again the formula is this, 4 ka square upon Rh. 4 ka square is 16, 1 upon Rh is 912 angstrom. We will multiply 912 with after Paschen we have fourth, that is bracket series, for which n is equal to 4, and for Font series it is 5. So here it will be 5. This is not asked. This is just to confuse you. You will of course take it as 4 and calculate. No. After Paschen we have bracket series, then we have Font series. So 5 5s are 25 into 9 1 2, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 5 9s are 45, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, so 0 10 8 12. This is what we have obtained, that is 22 800 strong. Okay.